You notice there's a chicken over there. That's the chicken we use. Do you see him?
The chicken? Yeah.
That's a talking chicken.
Yeah, I saw that.
You did? Hey,
Yeah,
hey,
I used to own chickens.
Sandra, say hi to Beetlejuice.
Hey, Beetlejuice.
Hey, what's up, chicken?
Hey,
It's me, the talking chicken.
you see
Yeah.
him? He's talking to you.
Yeah, I hear.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm doing pretty good.
You look like a little freak, though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I would say that. The chicken? Let me see that chicken.
Hey,
why are you saying that?
I've taken chicken dumps bigger than you, Beetlejuice.
Yeah? I own chickens, buddy.
Look
What?
at this guy.
Are you,
He's a bird, but I cook him up for dinner.
you think you're tough?
That's right. I cook him up for dinner.
You think you're tough? You want to fight?
Yeah.
You want to fight me?
Come on.
Wanna
Bring it out, brother.
I'll-
Come on out.
Come in
You're
my-
gonna fight the
come in
chicken?
my-
Come on out.